Yo, so welcome back, men nerdies. Welcome back to Nerdy Blackish, Nerdy Black Academy. And yes, I'm looking real nerdy blackish. Y'all come for class. Y'all need to be suited and booted. We not playing no games here. I'm gonna have to teach you how to tie ties and bow ties. When you come to class, you need to be prepared. You need to get up. You need to get dressed. And you need to make sure that you're giving yourself your best. Okay? Because ain't nobody gonna win for you. And if you go broke, ain't nobody gonna help you get right. So you gotta get up every day, you gotta do the best for you. Look like a gentleman, look like a lady. Don't look like a kid, look like a man. Okay? This is how we dress around here. Yeah, we got logos, we got streetwear, and that's cool and everything, but this is the look right here. Alright, so now we back. We back in class. And today, I got my notes. I hope you're ready to take your notes. Your pen and your pad, take your notes. You never know when I'm gonna give a test. And I'm gonna reward you for passing that test. And I will reward you in crypto, of course. You know what I mean? You never know. So take your notes, pay attention. Class is in session. Alright, so today we're gonna do a deep dive. Try to go in depth a little bit, talk about Ethereum and smart contracts. Probably more smart contracts, because remember, the next thing that we're doing, hold on, check this. The next thing that we're doing is we're buying some crypto. But before we actually get to buying crypto, right, there's a few things that we have to do to keep ourselves safe and secure, right? And so I'm gonna walk you through some of these steps. I got some notes, as usual, some good information I'm gonna give to you guys, and then we're gonna actually go onto Etherscan and look at a contract together based off of the notes that I got. Okay, so let's dive in. All right, so first off, what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized, open source blockchain platform that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Unlike Bitcoin, which was designed primarily as a digital currency, Ethereum was created to be more of a programmable platform for decentralized services and applications. So, I like to explain it like this. Bitcoin is like digital gold. You got to borrow gold. That's like having Bitcoin, but you can't walk into a store and be like, yo, I got this gold, let me buy some stuff. That doesn't really work. So you have Ethereum, which is like the system, right? It's a decentralized open source blockchain, meaning anybody can access it and build upon it and create an ecosystem for their community or for their project or for somebody else if they want to. Remember, with cryptocurrencies and with DeFi and the blockchain, it gives us the ability to have programmable money. And so if you got a community of people, you guys want to put your money together, you can start your own project that way with Ethereum. That's the good thing about Ethereum. You can use smart contracts, and we're going to get into a lot of these different things, but you can use smart contracts, and you can build dApps that interact with the smart contracts and provide a user interface for users to be able to have a seamless interaction versus going on the back end. Okay? So the native currency for Ethereum is Ether, or ETH. Is used on the Ethereum blockchain. It's required to pay for gas fees, the computational cost of transactions, and executing smart contracts. Remember, I told you every time you do you execute a transaction on the blockchain, you have to pay a gas fee, and that gas fee is the computational cost of transactions and executing smart contracts on the blockchain. That's where your gas fee comes in, because it's energy. Your Bitcoin is mined energy. You're taking mined energy and you're basically making it into digital money, digital gold, like something that has value. So you have to pay to use the blockchain. Small gas fee, all depending on what blockchain you're using. Remember. Okay, then you have the Ethereum virtual machine. The Ethereum has its own virtual machine called Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, which allows smart contracts to be executed across the network in a decentralized way. The EVM ensures that these contracts are processed consistently on all nodes or computers, in the network. Okay, so you got a bunch of computers that are all linked together trying to verify a transaction to make it a block on the blockchain. And the EVM is how it makes it possible with these smart contracts. So with the EVM, it interacts with the blockchain and the smart contracts. You know what I mean? And ensures that these contracts and these transactions are processed, all right, in a secure way. So what is a smart contract, right? A smart contract is a self-executing program that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It enforces the terms of the agreement automatically without the need for intermediaries. Remember, we don't need PayPal, we don't need Cash App, we don't need the banks, we don't need no third parties, we don't need nobody. It's just me and you doing business, just me and you right here. And that's why they call them smart contracts, because it's smart enough, it's programmable. It's a programmable contract that says whatever I want. I can write into the contract the terms that I want. It's a contract between me and you that I'm going to put up and say, if you're interacting and doing business with me on this product, this smart contract is governing that. So, okay, we're going to get into a few things. I don't want to jump ahead of myself. They run on a blockchain and are tamper-proof, which ensures trust between parties. Okay? Examples of smart contracts are decentralized exchanges. Smart contracts allow users to trade tokens directly with one another without intermediaries. So a decentralized exchange is a smart contract. That's how it's operated. That's how it works. It's a smart contract. Lending protocols in DeFi, lending platforms like Aave and Compound use smart contracts to manage loans, ensure collateral, and pay interest automatically. Remember, these terms are written into the contract. And once you have the contract written, all you see the front face of what's used to interact with the smart contract and the blockchain. That's Web3. Okay? NFT marketplaces. When buying or selling an NFT, smart contracts handle the transactions, ensuring ownership is transferred only when payment is confirmed, like I've been saying. So why are smart contracts important? Well, for one, like I've been saying, they're trustless. You get trustless execution with smart contracts. Smart contracts remove the need for trust between parties, as the code enforces the terms automatically. You say you're going to pay me such and such. You know, this is why we have bill collectors. We don't need bill collectors no more, because the smart contract, it already says what it says. And it's going to execute when you pay me what I'm supposed to be paid. There's no need for me to take you to court or anything like that, because you're not getting anything, because it's trustless. I don't have to trust that you're going to pay me, and then you don't have to trust that I'm going to provide you with whatever product or service that I'm saying, because it's a smart contract and everything's written in a smart contract. Even the data that you want to buy, you don't have to worry about me providing you. Like if I sell you an album, if I sell you a song, if I sell you some artwork, you don't have to worry about me providing you with the data that you need for the artwork or the music, because it's already loaded up in the IPFS server and integrated with the smart contract to call to give you your products when you interact with the smart contract. So it's trustless. So once the conditions are met, the contract self-executes. It does it all by itself. That's the power of AI. Don't tell nobody. No intermediaries. This is another reason we've been talking about this too. Why smart contracts are important. Smart contracts are important. No intermediaries. Traditional contracts require intermediaries like lawyers or banks to enforce and oversee them. Smart contracts eliminate the need for middlemen, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. So it's more efficient. You don't have to worry about somebody being shady. You don't have to worry about paying somebody else. It's all me and you. This is why they're mad. And that's why I gotta put this on Odyssey, because it's a blockchain video service and it's gonna be up there and I don't have to worry about somebody trying to ban it or take it off. I just want to ensure that it stays up so people can get this information. That's why it's on Odyssey. Alright, so transparency. Anyone can view the code of a smart contract on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and preventing hidden terms or conditions. Yeah, like we're gonna do. That's why I started doing this. All right, so I'm getting excited because this is exciting stuff that we're going through right here. But we just went over what is a smart contract, what is Ethereum, and why smart contracts are important. So I hope you're taking your notes and I hope you're learning something. But for now, I'm going to end this and I'll see you on the next video. In the next video, we're going to go over how to read smart contracts for a beginner. We're taking baby steps, but one step at a time. One step at a time. You're learning to be a degen. You're learning to degen one step at a time. And I, Rootsy, am proud to teach you. So come along with me. I'll see you next time.